Hi guys. So I'm going to do another one with this 10 by 10 that I got from Michael's today. I think I'm just going to do a swirl, or I don't know. I just feel like painting. So I'm going to paint. And that's a lot of white. Probably more than I need. Let's see if I can blow it. Wow, look at that. I actually got the mixture pretty good that time. Just even it out here. Excited about that. I've been working really hard on getting that. And I'm going to use paint today. I don't remember which one has silicone in it because I broke down the other day. And I know I used rainbow color, so I would say some of this definitely has it. Some of it probably doesn't. We'll see what happens. But it definitely has water in it. So that should work. I might even do a couple drops. I think I'll actually do that. I'll do a couple drops. What do I do with it? Oh, silicone. Of course, I have to remember where I put it. I organized, and oh, here we go. Look, I organized, and I actually found it. How does that happen? So I just made a couple colors. I just made this aquamarine, 2, 3. I just made this blue cerulean, teal. I think most of those colors have it in them. So, and again, if it doesn't, we're talking, you know, 1 or 2 color. I'm gonna do a star. Okay. And I'm going to try to use little paint. So I'm going to do 2 puddles. I'm going to do, this one probably doesn't have silicone in it. That one does. Pretty sure the yellow does. I'm gonna do a bright green. Not sure about that one. Alright, and now I'm gonna do the green. And I'm gonna do this blue. Do the teal again, favorite color, oh wide world. Yeah, I used way too much paint. Let's do some white around it. I'm gonna go light on the white. Probably a little heavier than that. All right, gonna move the paint out of the way because there's a lot of paint here and this is gonna blow. I don't want it to get in it. Okay, here we go. right, give that a minute. Ooh, loving that, loving that. Gonna torch it. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna turn this because I want to go that way. Just giving it a minute to mix a little bit more. All right. I am in love with this piece. I like what's going on here, but I am gonna blow it out just a little because while I did want some negative space with the white, oh my god, I love this. I just want to get this just a little bit more going here. Great. I'm going to tilt it just a smidge here. I really blew it pretty good. Nope, I don't want to do that because I don't want to lose this. Let me tilt it back because I didn't like what that just did there. There. I'm going to live with this. I love it. I love it. I love the yellows. I love the blues. I didn't even use purple, but I got some purple spots. This is beautiful, beautiful. All right, I accidentally hit the button, so I'm just gonna do a little video here. And then I'm gonna take some pictures. I mean, it's nighttime, it's 10 of not 10 here. So I really don't have hardly any light except for this one light right there. Oh my gosh. You know, when you had something in your head and you actually get it. Bye.